Hello, first grade friends. It's me, Wonder Woman, here to teach you some swag. So yesterday you had Superman teach you all about the S, or Superwoman I should say. And S stands for what? Does the S stand for? That's right, starts with a capital letter. So today, Wonder Woman, what do you think we're going to be doing? The W, which stands for write neatly. Now, I know a lot of friends who are very good at writing neatly, but then I have some friends who also need some practice. So today we are going to practice the W, write neatly. So follow me over here. This is my student Sally. Sally will be assisting me with our writing neatly. Now, before we can begin, we have to go over the different kinds of letters we have. So we have some short letters, and those are letters that what, Sally?
I don't remember. You're just gonna have to tell me.
Okay, well those letters start at the dotted line and they sit on the bottom line, which is usually the red line, but the bottom line. The tall letters do what, Sally?
I don't remember. You're just gonna have to tell me.
Poor Sally. Poor Sally. Tall letters start at the very top line, friends. And so you have B, D, F, H, K, L, and T, but you also have all of the capital uppercase letters are tall letters. They start at the top line or the roof of your house. And then the basement letters go down into the
attic?
Well, no, Sally, the basement letters go down into the basement. So if we had a little house right here, let's pretend we have our OG house, and here it is, and we're not up in the attic or the roof. The basement letters go down into the basement down there, and they touch the line underneath the bottom line. So, now we're going to have some practice. Okay. So I have picked some pieces of writing, or I have some examples, and Sally's going to help me decide if these go on the smiley face for writing neatly side, or the frowny face for let's do better next time side. All right, Sally. So, first up.
Can I use the tape?
I think you can. Do you know how to tear it off so that
I do.
you don't get too much at one time? Okay. Okay. So.
Is that good?
Oh, Sally! No, Sally. Bad Sally. Children, we don't do it like Sally did it. All right, so be nice. Where does be nice go? What do we notice about that?
Well, I think they have too many capital letters.
I think so. And if you notice, the nice, all of these are short letters, and they don't start at the dotted line.
So is that a smile or a frown?
I think it's a frown.
Oh.
I think that's where we have to put it.
Okay, we'll do better next time.
We'll do better next time. All right, what about Elm Street is the best street?
Ooh, that one looks pretty.
I think this friend took a long time.
They did.
They took their time on that
But
one.
it doesn't fit, so can I do it like that?
I think that will be just perfect with your extra long tape. All right, what about the pig is big? I don't know that they use their rules for
Yesterday they told us to start with a capital letter, but not in the middle. I thought we had to start the first word of the sentence with a capital letter.
I think that's right. And right here, this G is touching the roof. And so that's supposed to be a basement letter.
Well, look, that one's not even anywhere on that line.
It's not sitting on the
good.
bottom line. So no to that.
Let's see. I think I'm going to have to use the whole
Okay.
I'll get you some more tape.
Can you read this, Sally, for us? Put your readers on, my little 6-year-old.
Who are you? Oh, who are you? I'm Sally.
Oh,
I'm
she's
Sally.
Sally. All right, Sally, where does that one go?
It looks great, I think.
I think so, too.
It was very neat.
I don't think you wrote that, Sally.
No.
All right, what about I love my
it starts with a capital letter
It
because it
does.
has a hat and, you know, it
Mhm.
does. And it has a period at the end.
It does.
And I see some space.
Is it sitting on the bottom line? I think
No.
it's floating in the air a little
I
bit.
don't think we're supposed to float.
I don't either.
I think that one.
I don't like
I think they need to
floaters.
practice.
Mhm. Okay. What about, is your hat flat? What do you think, boys and girls? Is your hat flat? Well, this is supposed to be capital, this I, but the S is the same height as the capital I. And the S is what kind of letter?
But what S is a short letter.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know about
What
that.
about that Y?
Oh,
Do we start both
supposed to
of
be
them
a
with
basement.
capital?
Let's look over here. Basement letter.
And it looks more like a capital letter.
Mhm. This is a no.
So,
Is your hat flat? It's not pretty.
okay. But it rhymes.
It does rhyme. Rhyming words. All right, let's see here. Read that for me,
Ooh.
Sally.
Do not yell.
Do not yell.
But it looks good.
Mhm.
And it has that exclamation point at the end. I
Mhm.
like it.
I think so.
Okay.
All right. Do you have a cat?
Ooh, somebody got those short letters mixed up with some tall letters.
They got a little confused. I think they were hearing tall letters start with a capital, and they did too many capitals up in here.
And tall, something
tall
was
letters.
not supposed to be tall, but
That's
they
not
made
right.
it tall. That E looks weird.
Oh, but I like this one. Chocolate is delicious.
Oh,
Mhm.
yes. Well, we're
think-
just going to put it over there because we like chocolate.
Because we like it.
We
Mhm.
like chocolate.
We like that.
So we'll put it over there. It smiles.
Okay, I think that's plenty of examples to show friends exactly if
I'm
they
not
can
real
see
sure.
sideways
I'm not real sure. Let's
how
see.
they're supposed to write. All right, now, so smiley face is yes, that's what we're striving for. Frowny face is do better next time. All right, so now we've got some work examples. And I just like to show you what I do when students turn in work that is not so pretty. I can tell that this friend did not try his or her best. It says, I am so mad at my mom. She made me clean my room and I do not like to clean. Now I love those sentences.
Yeah.
However, is this written neatly?
No. Look how little bitty
Mm-mm.
they got right there. And look how big. And I think it's kind of rude to use all capital letters
About
when
your
you're
mom especially.
Yeah.
So, no to that. Now let's try another one. This is actually a real life example. Let's see this from today's lesson would start with a capital. So this friend did start with capitals,
Yeah.
but there's also capitals over here. And
I remember Miss McCord saying that you only capitalize like people's names or the days of the week or the months of the year, but that's the word read. I don't think that was supposed to be capitalized.
and also this Y is not down in the basement.
No.
And this E is not touching the dotted line. So show everyone, Sally, what we do with that.
I'm sorry whoever's paper this was, but you'll have to do it again.
Same thing with this one. We've got lots happening.
Ooh, and I think, look at that. It's just not neat. Look, they went over it and over it and over it and over it and over, and it's really makes it messy.
I think they were bored.
Ooh, and they forgot to capitalize those words at the beginning. And look at that. I don't even think that really is a letter.
That is good insight, Sally.
Yeah.
We don't like that one either.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's enough examples for today. So now I want you to go back with whatever your teacher is telling you to do right now. You're going to have some practice, and I want you to remember when you're writing your letters, this is what you want all of your letters to look like. Maybe you should go back to your seat and write all of your ABCs just like this. That would be good practice for writing neatly. All right, so Wonder Woman out.